Question 16 is a straightforward definition. Isotope comes from the year 9 topic on atomic structure. So as you know, isotopes refer to atoms of the same element. So you need to know the definition because they like to ask you in structure paper and 2 to 3 mark definition sometimes. You have the same number of protons because you are of the same element. Your identity is the same, that's why your number of protons is the same. But what is different is you have different number of neutrons. So neutrons is not nucleons. Be very careful of your spelling. When you have the international standard notation, they are different from your periodic table. So like your periodic table will show you carbon 6 on the top and then 12 at the bottom. This is your periodic table. That is what is shown to you, but typically what question will give you is not how the periodic table show you. They just show you like that, which is to the far left hand side. In that format, that on top there is called the nucleon. Nucleon is also known as mass number, and nucleon or mass number is different from neutrons. Is actually equal to number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So at the bottom there, you have the number of protons. So how do you work out number of neutrons? This top bit minus the bottom bit. So when you say atoms of the same element, same number of protons, you will have 6 being the same number. So example, carbon 6 and 12, and then carbon 14 and 6. First of all, they are the same element. They have the same number of protons, but they have different number of neutrons because the nucleon number is different. So the top bit minus the bottom bit, giving you the number of neutrons will be different. 12 minus 6 will give you 6 neutrons, whereas 14 minus 6 will give you 8 neutrons. Going through the option now, you will see that A is definitely wrong because it says same number of neutrons, so A is wrong. Same number of neutrons, so B is also wrong. How about C? Same number of protons, different number of neutrons. C is our answer. B is wrong because it says same number of protons and neutrons. Neutrons is wrong, proton is correct, but then C is our answer there.